Hi everybody, Martyn flicking feathers again today. I'm trying another wet fly. This is a rough olive spider. Very, very effective. Great when there's a hatchet up wings and or olives. Still waters and rivers. Just match the size really. As always, I'll put a materials list in the description, along with a link to the Patreon page for anybody who would like to support the channel and get access to the members only content, as well as being entered into the monthly giveaways. So I've got my hook and my vise and I've started my thread. This is a size 16 and the thread's olive 8/0 uni, and I'm going to tie in my tail. Now the pattern that I originally saw for this, it was in a book, and it called for an olive hackle and an olive dyed olive tail and an olive dyed badger hackle. But I've got this Brahma hen, and I've dyed it a olive, but it's a sort of brownie olive. It come out because of the greyness of the feather, and I really like it. So I'm using that. Tail, length of the shank off the back, just catch that in as you go. And the point in between the barb and the point of the hook, trim away your waist. Right, and I've got, I don't know, 6 fibres, 4, 5, something like that. Rib is fine gold wire. I'm just going to catch that in, and then you'll just tidy everything up and come back down. And then the body's olive dubbing. This is olive squirrel and SLF. Don't want anything too heavy. Keep it nice and sparse. Head up, get it started. I'm going to stop my body. So I've got just over a head length. Just take away any extra dubbing from my thread. Tighten that up, that wee last tag there, and just catch it in. And then just come up with your rib. Even turns. There's probably about 4 or 5. And just, when you've tied that off, just bend and break the wire away. Then hackle. Again, it's for this Brahma neck. You can see it looks a bit badgery. It's a really nice colour. But tie it in by the tip. Good side facing me. Fold it back because it's a very thin stem and I can get away with it. Then I'll just, holding your thread tight, snip it away or nip it away. Now it's just a case of getting the hackle pliers and putting on a couple of turns of hackle. You don't need much hackle on this. I'm going to fold it as I go. And then, I mean, again, it depends on the feather you're using. If you're using a Chinese hen, you'll need a different number. That's about 2.5, I would say. That looks okay to me, so just take a couple of wraps, unclip my hackle plier, Anything going forward, I'm just going to draw it back. Build a wee neat head, just 2 or 3 wraps of thread. Snap away the hackle stem. I might there just back off a turn just to let, so I'm not crushing the hackle as much. There we go. Whip finish and you're done. There's the rough olive. A very, very effective wee spider pattern. This is obviously a wet version, you can tie a dry one as well. Works everywhere. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up below and subscribe to the channel. Tight lines guys, bye.